Finally, full-color CMY 3D printing. Print thousands of colors with no filament. Save up to 80% on materials. Use at home with 100% recycled plastic. Paint by color in OrcaSlicer and then just print. You heard that right. With the Direct Color system by Decycle, you will eliminate filament, be vastly more sustainable, and unlock countless possibilities. Using just cyan, magenta, and yellow colorants, Direct Color blends together these three primary pigments to make any color. The colorants mix directly with the molten plastic right before being extruded. Change colors on demand while printing. No other product on the market can deliver this functionality. Hardware-wise, Direct Color works with any bedslinger or Cartesian-style printer. It is Wi-Fi enabled and has individually addressable dispensers. The software is all free and open source. It uses OrcaSlicer and Mainsail Fluid and Clipper. Stick around, we'll teach you the latest in full-color 3D printing technology that you can't find anywhere else. Welcome to E-Axis, a channel dedicated to pellet 3D printing. The planet is experiencing a crisis level of plastic pollution. We are driven by the need to divert as much plastic waste from entering the environment as possible. Our aim is to lower the barrier to full-color 3D printing at home using 100% recycled materials. More than 1 million new disposable plastic bottles are manufactured every minute. 500 million tons of plastic trash are generated per year. That amount is due to increase to 700 million tons by the year 2030. Less than 5% of that ever gets recycled. It winds up in the ecosystem, polluting the land, streams, rivers, and oceans. Governments and industry have no plan whatsoever to stem the flow of pollution into the environment. This is completely unacceptable, and we should all be outraged. I'm Becky, and this is Figure 7. We are working full-time to combat this generational plastic dilemma. If we can help divert even a small fraction of plastic from the environment, then we've done our job. If you think about it, this waste we're swimming in is actually a highly engineered material. With the Direct Color system, we're making it easier to repurpose this material at home for useful items, so that you can recycle at a neighborhood or community level. This brand new technology is a force multiplier for sustainable manufacturing. The system works with any typical pellet extruder. It replaces filament using 3 small jars of colorant powder. The system automatically mixes any desired color from the cyan, magenta, and yellow colorants, blending together pigments for these 3 primary colors to make any color on demand. Just touch any color on the screen and print with that color instantly, with over 16,000 colors to choose from. Our current solution is focused on using 100% recycled plastic and a pellet extruder. Included hardware: 5-volt power supply, Direct Color Control Module, USB Type-C cable, 3 colorant dispensers with feed screw and ribbon cables, hopper extenders, hopper caps. Modular colorant hopper extenders are stackable to suit the colorant capacity needs of each dispenser. Hopper extenders are included to double or triple the colorant capacity for large print jobs. Dispensers are constructed as a one-piece housing with see-through hopper. Colorants: 100-gram jars of Formula 1 colorant, available in cyan, magenta, and yellow. Colorant jars are made out of glass and have metal lids. For user interfaces, you can use OrcaSlicer, Mainsail, Fluid, or Mobile Raker with Clipper. Here's an example of painting by part in OrcaSlicer. To set the colors, use the Filament color widget. This is mind-blowing because we're using the color selector normally used for Filament to actually pick any color we like, and then we get that color. That includes custom colors. There are over 16,000 color combinations possible. Then just slice and print. The information needed to generate the colors is sent to the direct color system in the G-code. Next is an example of slicing and printing in vase mode in OrcaSlicer. The method to change colors in vase mode is to insert custom G-code. First, select the color code from the Filament Color widget. Then go to the Slicer tab and slice the model. After slicing the model initially, select which layers you want the color changes to occur at, using the slider. Right-click on the slider and select Add Custom G-code. Insert the custom G-code using the color code determined. And then just slice and print. After sending the print, the main sail clipper interface opens up in the Device tab in OrcaSlicer. Here is an example of starting a print with the Mobile Raker app on a cell phone. This works the best. Print from anywhere. Another direct color function that is not possible with any other system is the ability to change colors on the fly while printing if desired. This can really be useful for artistic purposes or to course correct mid-print. Able to change colors with no purge. Of course, you can still do prime towers if required. Here is an example of this in OrcaSlicer mainsail. Simply type in the custom G-code in the console and send. Here is an example of changing colors and parameters using Mobile Raker. After changing the parameters, you can see the G-code in the terminal window. Figure 7 likes to use AR glasses to control the printer with mainsail. That's so he can order supplies on Amazon while he's 3D printing. Hardware installation. Take the 3 dispensers and pass them through to route the ribbon cables along with the existing extruder wiring harness. Place the 3 dispensers into the bracket. The order that the dispensers are put is not important. Next, connect the USB-C cable to the 3D printer and the direct color control module. Then, connect the power supply and plug it in. After about a minute, power lights will come on each dispenser, which means the system is ready. The dispensers come with 6-foot-long lightweight ribbon cables. Now secure the ribbon cables in 3 places. You are ready to fill the dispenser hoppers with colorant. This system is designed to work with a custom formulated Formula 1 colorant powder. So, do this for all 3 dispensers. Once all 3 dispensers are loaded, they can be demonstrated as seen here. Each dispenser has a corresponding colored light which comes on when the dispenser is feeding. In order to use the dispensers, a bracket needs to be affixed to the extruder. Depending on the model of extruder you have, there are many options. In this example, templates are provided to modify an extruder wall so that the dispensers can feed into the melt chamber. It's possible that your extruder is already equipped. Get that filament out of there! Common nozzle sizes used range from 0.2 millimeter to 2 millimeter and larger. This episode showcases large format 3D printing. Here we're using a 2 millimeter nozzle as the fastest, most sustainable way to use as much recycled plastic as possible, right on the spot, all while making useful items for society. The result is many beautiful printed items, including the building blocks of civilization, lampshades, bowls, maracas, taco holders, waste baskets, flower pots, hot sauce caddies. Plastic pellets are the most readily available form of plastic. It is what all plastic items are made from in the first place. So we are skipping that step and 3D printing directly with pellets. The lowest carbon footprint is achieved using locally made or sourced plastic pellets. Compared to using pre-manufactured filament, the direct color system is an order of magnitude less costly. It greatly reduces or eliminates material cost, packaging, shipping weight, discarded plastic spools, storage space, and eliminates any filament inventory. The pellets are purchased in quantities ranging from anywhere in between a 1-pound bag to 100-pound bag or larger. We have a Decycle counter. Last year, we recycled over 200 pounds of plastic using pellet 3D printing. This is a call to action. How many pounds of plastic waste have you recycled in your 3D printing journey? Additional capabilities include variable transparency, adjustable translucency at your fingertips at any point of the print. Incorporate custom additives to your prints, including glitter, glow in the dark, sawdust, support for 2 cameras and time-lapse recording. Time-lapse functionality is supported. Simply plug into the control module. Optional melt chamber camera is available for monitoring pellet feeding and colorant dispensing. Here we show it being installed and plugged into the control module. Monitor print progress, cameras, and time lapses remotely using mainsail or mobile raker. Caps and plugs are provided for dispenser storage if needed. Use 1, 2, or 3 dispensers if you wish. Single or multiple dispensers can be used to provide configurations for redundancy. A gravity feed hopper can be used. For larger prints, automatic feed systems are straightforward. These hold multiple pounds of pellets, allowing you to print for days. The direct color system is scalable to more than 30+ times larger systems, including industrial scale 3D printers. It can also be utilized for injection molding. I hope you liked this episode. Remember to subscribe so you can catch all future installments. Future episodes include head-to-head with Bamboo XC1. Build a sub $1,000 large format pellet 3D printer. Join our Patreon for downloads, bonus footage, and early releases. Direct Color. It is decentralized recycling. Available now only at decycle.us.